Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you how you can make money on Cash App. So in order to make money on Cash App, all you need to do is follow the instructions as guided. Now, making money on Cash App ads primarily involves leveraging its various features. So here are some ways people often explore. So sending and receiving money is one way to earn money. So if you provide services or sell goods, you can accept payments from client or customers through Cash App. So it's quick and convenient way to receive money. Apart from it, you can also use referral programs that rewards users for inviting friends to join in. So all you need to do is generate a referral code or link through the app and earn bonus when someone signs up using your code or link and sends their first payment as well. Similarly, Cash App also allows users to invest in stocks and Bitcoin. So while it's not a direct way to make money immediately, investing in the stock market or cryptocurrencies has the potential for growth over time. Apart from it, Cash App occasionally offers cash boosts or discounts when you use the cash card at select merchant or a specific retailer. Utilizing these boosts, you can save money on purchases as well. From it, for content creators or influencer, you can encourage your audience to support you through Cash App. Some creators offer exclusive content on perk for supporters who contribute through platforms like Cash App. These were some of the steps on helping you make money using Cash App. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.